Tersa Steam, the world's first fully automated, wall-mounted, 10-minute clothing care system. In our quest to revolutionize the efficiency of your modern lifestyle, we are introducing the innovation that will reinvent clothing care, transforming your day as well as your clothes. Tersa Steam uses pod technology, similar to your favorite single-cup coffee maker. This chemical-free process de-wrinkles, deodorizes, and dries nearly any of your favorite clothes in under 10 minutes. No more waiting for laundry cycles of an hour or more to finish. No more struggling with an ironing board, and fewer trips to the dry cleaner. Make Tersa a seamless part of your everyday routine. Simply hang your garment of choice in your Tersa Steam, pick your favorite scent, and press go. And while you're getting ready to go, Tersa Steam gets your clothes ready too, automatically. From workwear, to formal wear, to sportswear, and even delicates. If you can wear it, Tersa Steam can de-wrinkle and refresh it. After prototyping and securing an all-US team of design, manufacturing, and fulfillment partners, we are excited to bring Tersa Steam to Indiegogo and to be sharing our work with you. So please back us today and help bring to market an innovation that makes caring for your clothes easy, no matter what your day brings.
We are happy to present to you our novelty, P-Color. P-Color is an art tech gadget that will make life easier for artists and all those who will be mixing colors to find their own unique shades. Why do you have to use so many markers? P-Color will replace expensive markers, pencils, and paints. Hard to find desired shade? P-Color will help you create unique colors or shades. P-Color is capable of doing much more. everyone will be able to use peak color.
The Hydro Shredders are for that upper level athlete who's very strong and fit and really needs that extra resistance in the water to give them that high level workout.
You don't get that 0 to 400 pounds of pressure from any other workout thing. It doesn't exist.
So the Hydro Shredders, they come in pairs, and you can use them like anything else that you're used to in a dry land environment. You can do the same thing in the water. We did actually open up and really amplify that inner cavity to allow you to use it one in each hand or use both hands on one of the products.
If I pull it really slowly through the water, I'm only going to put 10 pounds at most of pressure on my body. If I'm more physically able, the faster I pull it, the more it pushes back. So it's an accessible object, and then you can get into just a full hardcore crazy workout.
Anyone who thinks that aquatic fitness isn't challenging enough, I would give them the Hydro Shredders and say, try these because they'll work you.
Hi there, I am Benedict. Together with you Kickstarter backers, we have created the Citograph 35, which we are shipping out just now. In this new campaign, we want to introduce our new project, the new Citograph 50. Crystal clear sharpness, brightest coloration, and a dreamlike sharp-edged bubble bokeh is what this lens enables you to create easily. Best of all, you keep your true Citography style with lots of spontaneity and tons of creative options. Unlike our first lens, the new Citograph 50 has an aperture range from 2.8 to 16. But as a true Citograph, it of course stands for the same easy handling like its little brother, the same outstanding aesthetic and creative images. With this amazing lens, you have full control over the bokeh which you prefer. You decide whether you choose a decorative bokeh, or if you point and shoot in order to capture the very essence of the situation without that artsy touch. The new Citograph 50 is your perfect companion for all your photography, day in and day out. Its compact dimensions and lightweight make it your perfect companion for your ambitious photography. The famous yet straightforward Tessar design gave me a chance to create this lens in true Citography spirit and offer it through this project. The Citograph 50 is a standard lens for all photographers who seek the extraordinary, but not the average. A lens for photographers who are looking for creative expressions without compromise, but with easy handling. Support us now to get your own copy very soon.